This is my first CAEL conference. What's neat about CAEL, and something that's unique to CAEL as compared to every other conference, frankly, that anyone on our staff has been to, is there's a recognition of a new student life cycle that's happening. A modern student life cycle, when we're talking about this adult learner, when we're talking about this non-traditional audience, is looking for meaningful engagement over the course of their lifetime. And an institution needs to rethink its approach to serving learners if it's going to deliver that meaningful lifelong experience. We're talking about how we serve lifelong learners. And what's unique is that the number of presentations at CAEL that I've been to, where we're talking about the 100-year life, where we're talking about the need to upskill and reskill, where we're talking about the capacity for institutions to step outside the bounds of these single unique engagements and look at more of a continuum of lifelong learning. That's something that's unique to CAEL. What's also been phenomenal is that we're creating a common space for community college leaders and university leaders to come together and talk about what makes them similar. So much time among these leaders tends to focus on what makes them different. So to be able to come together and speak about this new student life cycle and where they uniquely sit within that spectrum of what needs to happen in order for a learner to succeed, not over a 2-year span or over a 4-year span or over a number of individual continuing education engagements that happen over the course of a lifetime, but as part of a continuous lifelong learning spectrum, that's something that's very unique here as well. It's been incredible to see this community of innovators coming together and speaking in a way that is extremely different than what you'd get at any other conference.